proud to lead a team of marketing and branding experts here at Arch Collective. They really know their stuff, and it's such a thrill when we get to deliver the final messaging to our clients and the clients are ecstatic, especially when it's only the first draft. Even better is when that messaging is used in campaigns or in pitches that actually turn into revenue or fundraising. That kind of success is truly the best part. And frankly, brand messaging is a critical aspect of that kind of success. So many founders and entrepreneurs are so focused on the product or focused on the service that they lose track of their marketing and their messaging specifically. And that's more important than ever in this increasingly crowded and very noisy marketplace. So this is where the Arch Collective method comes in. My name is Amanda Rabideau. I'm the founder and fractional CMO for Arch Collective. I've worked with dozens of startup companies over the past couple years to craft the best messaging for them to take to market. Today, I'm going to talk with you about our tried and true method for making spot on, mind-blowing, and explosive brand messaging. With that in mind, let's dive in. First and foremost, you need to define your target audience. Pinning down and understanding your target audience is marketing 101. It's also a vital part of any brand messaging strategy. The core of this step is answering one simple question: who is most likely to subscribe to your tech offering? If you're struggling to answer this question, go back to the original reason that you even started your startup company. Usually in your founding story, you'll find or help you find an answer to your question about your target audience. Whose pain points did you want to try and solve, and why? If you have existing customers, look for commonalities among your best performing customers. What is the industry? What's the size of their business? Is there any geographical consistencies? What's the job title associated with the decision makers? Creating a clear picture of who wants your product and how they're using it to solve problems is a really powerful first step in helping developing your best brand messaging. No matter how unique your solution is, I promise you, you have competition. And if not today, then certainly in the future. And don't discount the status quo as one of the most formidable competitors out there. Change can be hard. You must be able to state what sets apart your app or your platform from everyone else's offerings. You believe that your offering is the best thing out there for your target audience. So tell them why. Use these definitions and these differentiations as part of your positioning statement or your unique value proposition. These should be the pillars for your brand messaging framework. Understanding what separates you from the competition will help you develop your brand persona. Think of your brand persona as exactly that, a personification of what your brand stands for. Is it friendly? Is it knowledgeable? Is it serious? Is it lighthearted? There's lots of ways for you to communicate what your brand stands for, but it's important to document that as well. And when done well, can actually improve your interactions with clients and even large-scale advertising campaigns, and is associated with everything from how you interact with your clients to large-scale advertising campaigns and everything in between. When you're developing your brand persona and this aspect of your company, take a moment to reflect on the kind of legacy you want to leave. How do you want former employees to think about their time working with you? How do you want anyone to think about your company? How do you want customers to reflect on their interactions with the people that they work with for your firm? How do you want people to perceive your company? All of this ties back to your brand persona. The final word. You can implement these types of brand messaging techniques by taking my course and building out your own brand messaging. If that sounds a little overwhelming, don't worry, we have you covered. We now offer brand messaging in a matter of days rather than having to wait weeks and months to get it. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to schedule your introductory phone call for just 15 minutes with myself or one of my team members. We can learn a little bit more about your business and share how our process works so that you can get your best brand messaging in just a few days. And as always, subscribe to our channel if you like this type of content, and we'll see you next time.